Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see the two topics in this video. The first is SQL is not case sensitive and semicolon in SQL. So what is the use of these two functions in SQL? So first we will see the case sensitive. So suppose I will write some query, select star from and the table name. Okay. So as you can see, I have write one query here, that is select star from RK, and executed this query. So as you can see, our table is executed here. So in this table we have a small names of column name, like column headers is in the small letters, and again the second column name, all the our column names in the small letters. So okay, so we will try SQL is case sensitive or not. So case sensitive means all words you need to write matching, but if it's not case sensitive, you so I will use capital words here, employee ID from career chats with RK. So as you can see, select is small, employee ID is capital, again from is capital, and career chats with RK is small. Sorry, these first three words is capital, and again our table name is small. So we will see it will execute or not. So as you can see, our employee ID is executed. So with the help of this uh, example, we can easily understand is that SQL is not case sensitive. Okay, I will write here is not. So remember this word and this line. Then we will see what is the use of semicolon. Okay, so after this query we need to write, or we need to apply semicolon. So what semicolon means, I will write here. Semicolon means end of the statement. Okay, so that's it. This is the use of semicolon. Semicolon means end of the statement. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do like and subscribe for the channel. Thank you guys.